In this lecture, we will examine the articles together with the briefs because as you see, this is the kitchen side of the things. In a normal condition, before making or writing the authors, the articles from these briefs, we give some education and the rule sets for following. Rule sets like some rule sets are little bit deeply complicated, but to keep the things easy and simple and direct, we just talk about some of the rules. These are basically the initial results of these specific articles and 10 referring domains, 12 backlinks, and we did not care about these numbers. These are auto generated. And here we have the initial traffic 3.1k, and after the core updates it increased further because we are competing with the really important global authorities, so we able to understand whether this article as it is created with this brief we examine like that. The first step is we first check the headings. Is all the headings in that brief are the same as in the articles? And most of the time, 90% of the time, we don't allow others to change any word in these specific area. If they really want to change something because of their own expertise, we put some certain rules like changing not the order of nouns, or not changing the connection of the words to each other, or not changing the predicate, certainly. But most of the time they listen and they do as we ask. And the next step is examining the paragraphs that coming here. First paragraph is drinking water, the potable water that is the synonym of drinking water is derived from surface where it comes from. We use here is that in the passive voice and it meets the quality and the safety standards to be able to use it. And we use the word human consumption that we see at the first time. We use the word safe at this place, and then we give again the definition. This is come from the main benefit of drinking water with the scientific terms. Water is a vital for life and makes up 50% females to the 60% males of an adult's body weight. Physiologically, water is the main constituent of cells, tissues, and the organs. Here we mostly give the three examples to explain the better context or the specific contextual connection in a better way. It here we use the pronoun. First we use the noun drinking water, water, and here water. Here we use the pronoun. It supports numerous biological process and ensures homeostatic functioning by acting as building material, solvent, participant in enzymatic reactions, transporter of nutrients and waste, thermoregulator, lubricant, and an essential component of blood. The main message to you here is that we are using the scientific term, we are giving the main benefits and the main benefit types as well. For example, some other benefits are classified in this, and we are giving its further example with all these things because anything that we wire that in this area it is connected all in that specific context. If you continue from here, drinking water contains nutritionally beneficial minerals. Here you see we use the word minerals with a drinking benefit such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and the phosphate. As already I said that water has no technically the nutritional value, but in the terms of calories from water is zero, but from these specific sections have the same concepts, whether it is sparkling water or the soda or the mineral water. We talk about these sodium, potassium at this specific place, so it's give us a chance or it's easy to connect these specific functions of the water to the benefits of the water. If we go to the Google and search the specific benefit, I choosing random with a specific function, you can see we have the enough level of search results to create the context about it. Here enzymatic reaction and phosphate are connected to each other, and in that specific case you also do like that in title water. Now still you have a lot of results to make the contextual connection with it, and here you can see what are the connection here with the water, phosphate, and enzymatic reaction means water benefits, water functions. You can do it by yourself by playing with these specific connections using these type of search operators. So in the next lecture, we will continue to examine the specific incremental heading order list, and then we go for the supplementary content in the article. So thank you.